Hello, I was just updating my OBS to get a little blurry screen back there. I wanted to show you a feature that's built into Fusion. I was using machine selections before they had machine simulation. And where are my machines now? Go back right here, machine library. All right, so I made these. I think these used to be available one time, but these are not associated with a simulation machine. But if I picked this one here, TM1, and how do I edit this again? Cloud. Here we go. Edit. All right, you go in here, you describe your machine, capabilities, 400 inches a minute, maximum feed rate, number of tools, does not support tool preload, automatic tool changer, kinematics, Z axis here is feed rates, and post processing, which post processor to use. Where's the head here, right here? I put in right here maximum spindle speed. I put 6001, minimum 50, 6001. So I have that, and we had a VF2, and that one would be edit kinematics head. That one goes to 10,000, 10,001. Okay. So we're doing this Haas course here, and my feed and speed selections. I look at it real quick, and I may not be up to date on what my feeds and speeds are. If I was using the, the tools that were built into the Haas library right here. These are the Haas pod numbers, and you have down here it just says aluminum finishing. If you got them out of the, actually that's pretty good. That's the cap of the VF2 non-SS machine. But say you had a TM1 or something like that, 6,000 or a 4,000 RPM machine, and you weren't really paying attention, but you went in here and said, I am using, our school machine is TM1P. Right here, hit select, pink. And right away, it comes up with warnings. Spindle speed is larger than supported for this machine. That one, all of these. We'd have to go update these. And the question would be, so this is pretty good for warning, and it's also good for, if you go G1 post processing, it's already linked you to the post, the correct post. It's already linked there. It's linked to the one in your cloud. And it says right here that the preload tool is not active because that machine does not have that. It doesn't have a chip conveyor. Okay, so all those are set to go. So if I do this, post the code, hit post, update. All right, I still get 8100 RPM. Oop. All right, but these warnings are pretty cool built in here. What else do I have? Edit. Let's go back and say, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to use that machine. Let's go VF2, hit select, hit OK. Now everything's okay, except for this one. What's this one say? Tool length is larger than one supported for the machine, so I probably have something set in there. Edit the tool. Cutter size, overall length 6. Let me just shrink that to, oh, it's got to be in my kinematic setting. Machine library. edit. Where would that be? Capabilities. Maximum feed rate I have is 650. Additional settings. Nope. Post. Nope. Kinematics. Z. Advanced settings. Collision settings. Tool. So where are they getting that from? Oh, here's one. Tools. No, that's lathe. Mill only. Number tools 20. Supports tool preload. Not on the machine that we have. It must be in there somewhere. Tool change time 20 seconds. Post kinematics. But those were all built into the. It's got to be here somewhere. Hold on a second. He updated the spot drill to be like 3 inches rather than 6 inches. So maybe the setting in the tool list was not correct. But I regenerated and everything works fine now. So that was a little bit of. Are you pointing the tools and the feeds and speeds at the correct machine, and can it actually do it? So I wish the Haas would actually put a program in there that says that your program spindle speed is higher than the machine's capability. But it doesn't do that. So anyway, so we went back and said, oh no, our machines are TM1 machines. Select. And now we have warnings. Right? So we go in here and say, okay, edit tool. This cannot be that RPM anymore. That's going to be 6,000 max. Hit OK. Generate. And that one is. Come on there, baby. But you have to make sure that they. If you just blindly change the RPMs, it's not gonna. You want to have a hole to feed per tooth before you do it. Let's put it on aluminum finishing. All right, it was at 3 thou 2/10. Let's say 3 thou. And you change it to 6,000. Now it's at 4th per tooth. Change this back to 003. Whoops, another 0. Hit OK. Recalculate. And I didn't know what the previous time was, but it's now 8 minutes 51. Okay. But that one's fixed. But they can go around and fix all these. So I just thought I'd throw that out there, that you can get the machine settings without simulation to really help. Like if you're jumping around from lathe to mill and stuff, if you have these pointed, you won't have to go reselect your post all the time. So we were jumping around on all of these on myself. I was going from mill to lathe, and I ended up being on the lathe post. So if you have machines selected to begin with, this will actually steer everything in the right direction. Okay, talk to you guys later.